Hi, I'm Allie, and this is Allie's Corner. Today we're going to be learning the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to use this equation to find sides of right triangles. Here you can see this more clearly. The Pythagorean theorem deals with right triangles, triangles that have a 90-degree angle in them. And it states that the leg squared plus the other leg squared is going to be equal to the hypotenuse squared. So let's look at a sample problem where we use this. Let's say you had a triangle and you knew that one side was 3 and the other leg was 4, and it was a right triangle, but you didn't know what the hypotenuse was. You would use the Pythagorean theorem. Here, a equals 3 and b equals 4. Now, 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16, and that's going to equal 25. But be careful, that's not your c. That's going to be your c squared. So, if c squared equals 25, then you take the square root of both sides, and you find out that c equals 5. Then you can complete your triangle. But what if you don't know both legs? What if you knew one leg and a hypotenuse? You could still use this equation. Let's say that you had a triangle, and one leg was 5, and the hypotenuse was 13. You're looking for this leg. What you know is your a and your c values, and you're trying to find your b. Here, a squared plus b squared, which you still don't know, is going to be equal to c squared, your hypotenuse. 5 squared is 25, and 13 squared is 169. To find b squared, you subtract 25 from both sides, and you get b squared equals 144. This is getting a little crowded, but you see, if you do the same thing here by taking the square root of both sides, you get b equals 12. And you can put that back in your triangle right here. So, just remember, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the two legs of your right triangle and c is the hypotenuse. That's all for now. See you next time on Allie's Corner.